So we all need that practical pickup truck for on-site, perhaps towing a fishing boat or hauling adventure gear and many more. And in this episode of Auto Tech Talk, we review one of the best off-road pickup trucks that are available on the market today that can fulfill those above functions that I mentioned. So welcome to the brand new episode of Auto Tech Talk, and I'm William Omoroke, your host. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here only on Auto Tech Talk. So we start off with the Ford F150. Perhaps there's something to opt for if you want to own something more muscular. The F150 is available in 3.5 liter power boost full hybrid V6 engine. This massive engine has a towing capacity of 12,700 pounds and delivers power output of 430 horsepower and produces 570 pound-feet of torque. There is a continuously controlled damping system that dynamically adjusts shock absorber stiffness in real time to match the road surface and driver inputs. It functions automatically depending on the drive mode you have selected. It monitors suspension position, vehicle loading, vehicle speed, road conditions, and steering to adjust suspension damping for enhanced vehicle control. There's a smart trailer tow connector that informs you if something regarding your trailer is not to standard, such as a non-functioning brake lamp or signal lamp. All that it takes for you to be updated is to view on the tow activity screen. You can view onboard scale status through the Sync 4 screen to manage the load on your vehicle so you do not exceed the vehicle weight capacity. Smart Hitch is to help customers easily load trailers and practice safe towing. This system measures the tonne weight of a trailer being connected to help the customer distribute trailer weight correctly. Smart Hitch calculates its appropriate tonne weight and provides guidance on weight distribution or hitch overloading on the screen or on the Ford Pass app. The deployed standard software can be updated to make your Raptor more smarter by making upgrades such as trail maps and trail turn assist. Terrain surfaces such as dirt, sand, or rocks can be overcome by the Raptor's multi-terrain management system with 7 modes, namely normal, slippery, sport, tow a hole, bezier and rock crawl, along with trail control with Trail 1 pedal drive and the 5-link rear suspension with a panhard rod that amplify agility and control over rugged terrain. The Raptor 37 Performance Package is the package just to aid easy maneuvering when you go off-roading. The package comes with a 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain T/A KO2 tires, which are the largest fitted tires in its class. The F150 consists of off-road lighting for guaranteed visibility in cases such as misty situations. In the interior on the dash is an integrated 12-inch touch display for the infotainment that can be controlled by voice commands. Ford took it a little bit further in terms of practicality. The F150 comes with a working surface such as for signing documents when on site or for dining during a lunch break. And after long hours of working, can come back, stretch and rehabilitate on these impressive recliner seats. Similar to the Rivian R1T, the F150 comes equipped with a rear locking under-seat storage. It is integrated with the floor and perfect for storing loose items or anything you want to keep concealed and secure. The rear flat load floor makes it easy to load and hold large items in the cab. From the driver's 12-inch digital cluster, you get a navigation guidance, intelligent adaptive cruise control, off-road vehicle orientation, and towing information. The cluster also has preset themes and colors depending on the drive mode which you select. The F150 is available in several engines, namely the 290 horsepower 3.3 liter V6, 400 horsepower 5 liter V8, 325 horsepower twin turbocharged 2.7 liter V6, a 400 horsepower twin turbocharged 3.5 liter V6, and a 250 horsepower 3 liter diesel V6. With a Raptor, you get a 450 horsepower twin turbo 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine, and all models are 10-speed automatic transmissions. Driver assistance technology is available in all F150 models such as forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure assist, and lane keeping assist. The F150 starts off at $31,335 and the Raptor comes at a price of $66,190. And we are wrapping it up with the new generation 2022 Toyota Tundra. Toyota is electrifying every segment of theirs now. Tundra's I-Force Max is applied with new hybrid tech for max performance. The 3.5-litre V6 turbo engine is paired with an electric motor. This all-new hybrid engine produces output power of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. This engine is available in the TRD Pro. The electric power motor has a power output of 48 horsepower. For optimal performance output, the electric motor is placed between the engine and the transmission. As a result, power is transferred efficiently without any lag. The non-electrified I-Force Max engine of the Tundra is a twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra can impressively tow cargo of up to 12,000 pounds, which is 700 pounds less than the F150. So it doesn't really matter what you are towing or hauling, be it your fishing boat or your camper. The body-on-frame Tundra was built to be exceptionally efficient, enabling it to have a manufacturer fuel estimation efficiency of 20 miles per gallon. Tundra's 10-speed automatic transmission means more torque and power, allowing you to conveniently climb up steep terrains confidently. The crawl control is available on the TRD Pro and TRD Off-Road packages. The crawl control system helps one to maneuver smoothly on tough terrains. It only requires one to tap a button to activate this drive assist feature. This advanced system automatically modulates the throttle and brakes on 5 low speed settings. There is also an available system to help regulate wheel spin by automatically adjusting engine throttle and traction control. In 4x4 low and high range, you can adjust the dial toggles between the following terrains: mud, sand, rock and mogul, but available on the iFox only. In most vehicles, there is a whole lot of inefficiencies that occur that we are not conscious of, but with modern successors, many of these problems are debugged and resolved, such as Tundra's electronically lock-in rear differential for the TRD Pro and TRD Off-Road package. The locking rear differential feature evenly distributes engine power to both rear wheels. Once the system is engaged, both rear wheels move at the same speed and provide more grip in low traction conditions. Similar smart hitch feature from the F150 is available in the Tundra as well. So in the Tundra, after you have plugged in the trailer on the 7-pin connector, the vehicle system calculates its length without any input from the driver. With the 2 new tow/haul modes, Tundra can adjust throttle response based on what you are towing. For the first time, Tundra is equipped with an adaptive variable suspension. It adjusts damping force based on ever-changing road conditions. Be it a pothole or speed bump or even road surfaces, this feature is triggered. Tundra's built-in actuators in the front and rear shock absorbers are designed to continuously change damping force for comfort driving and enhance towing stability. Rear height control air suspension is an equipped feature to assist the vehicle to stay level when hauling a heavy load. The system allows you to choose from 3 manual height modes: high for slow speeds and off-road driving, low mode to aid loading and unloading, and normal for everyday use. No need for one to be an expert when towing a trailer, because Tundra is equipped with sensors and cameras to keep your trailer straight as you back up. Inside the cabin, you have the privilege of a 360 view camera to keep track of what is happening around your vehicle. Wireless charging is available in the center console. All it takes is to simply place it vertically and your battery will be fueled up. With the Tundra, you are forever connected with the available Wi-Fi hotspot, and the Tundra allows you to lock and unlock it with your smartphone Toyota app. The vehicle's audio multimedia system allows you to stream over 90 million songs. This 14-inch system can be interacted with via sight, touch and voice recognition. Wireless Apple CarPlay allows you to make calls, send and receive messages while you stay focused on the road. Android users should not worry because they are also accommodated. Android Auto is available in the vehicle to do pretty much what the iPhone users can do. For enhanced entertainment, the Tundra features the Sirius XM. With the Platinum Plan trial subscription, you get 350 plus channels, 165 plus channels in your vehicle of ad-free music, plus sports, news, comedy, and more. The Tundra is incorporated with more interior features for comfort, such as heated and ventilated seats. The 1794 edition is treated with an American walnut wood trim across the entire interior, on the dash, center console, and door panels. Also, introducing you to Toyota's signature, the Tundra's rear window can be lowered and raised using a button when you need that natural air, in contrast to the car's built-in air conditioning system. Unfortunately, the Tundra is the only pickup truck without a V8 engine. It is offered with a twin-turbo V6 and a 10-speed automatic transmission. Every Tundra is equipped with driver assistant technology that includes automatic high beams, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The base price for the Tundra is $37,645. The TRV Pro is estimated to be $57,000, and the 1794 edition is estimated to be $59,385. Hope you found this video resourceful, and I hope you're ready to make that purchase. I hope you know which off-road pickup truck will suit your needs. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for making this far. You really gave me a purpose. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here only on Auto Tech Talk. Cheers.